Hi guys.
Please hang up and try again.
Good morning guys. Today I'm gonna be as you can see I'm not in I hate As you can see I'm not in my usual setup because I am with my cousin. And for today's video, I'm gonna be a UCSD student. So this is very exciting. I'm gonna live her life and I'm actually gonna go to class and we're gonna have a little tour of her school. I'm gonna take you with me.
Ano ba?
Awkward. Sige, I'll try this again later. But right now, it's 8:30 a.m. and we're gonna head to the bus station. And gano'n katlayo yun from here?
Oh, 1 hour.
Yung bus station?
Meron ba isa?
Oo.
Traffic eh.
So
So,
for that 1 hour,
or mga 15 minutes.
50 minutes, wow. I'm gonna be sleeping. So I'll catch you guys later at the bus station.
Oh, magtutumba na naman yan.
Ito aircon?
Init ka?
Hindi. Pero, nainitan ako. Pero feeling ko din, pag nag-aircon tayo, lalamigin ako. Ganun. You know what I mean? We need balance. We're back! Did you miss us?
Because we missed you.
Nandito na kami sa school niya before, where she also works here right now. So, what she does is, niiwan niya dito yung car niya, tapos magbabas na siya to her school. So, we're gonna be doing that as well. Ganito yung bus station sa kanila. Wala nagtitinda ng mani or hotdog. So, saan ang stop mo dito? Eto. Okay. Teka na. Hindi, bakit? Ay, oh, puta nga. Is it gonna wait for us? Wait, I'm panicking. So you pay with this. Okay, let's go. Yeah. Ooh, that is so... Here.
Here?
Nasa ka pa? Walang belt? So we're here na. Did you guys see that? We paid with our phones. Let me show you the bus. You know what? This bus reminds me of the P2P bus in the Philippines.
Huh?
And wait, how much yun? Yung
250.
okay, 250 yung
Tapos,
bus.
paggamit ka ulit ng bus within 2 hours, libre pa.
Okay. Narinig nyo yun? Everyday ka nagko-commute? Every tuwing kailan?
Monday, Tuesday, Thursday.
So dito ba, wala yung parang napupuno yung bus?
Na nakatayo.
Oo. Meron?
Pero hindi sa simula.
What do you mean? Kasi may bus stops. I see. Wala nagtitinda dito ng quail eggs. Ang tawag doon?
Pugo.
Pugo.
Gusto mo, ikaw mag-start ng trend.
Yeah. So, hindi siya hassle. Like, on time yung buses dito. I see. Pero wala bus na gabi. Ay, bakit ganun yung baso? Meron something sa gitna. Parang train. And it's so big, it's so long. Yes, walang seatbelts, by the way. I just wanna say that. And also, I wanna say, wala nga, pero sa ibang countries like Japan and Korea, meron. Anyway, the bus is moving and I think I'm gonna take a nap. Guys, yun lang, walang headrest. Sa atin, comfy yung mga headrest eh. Dito walang para-para. Ano lang, bus stop.
Yung hilahin mo yan. Pero last kasi yung sabi, so hindi natin kailangan.
Hindi, wait. Pero hindi mo to basta-basta pwede hilahin. Like, you cannot stop just anywhere.
Hinilang mo yan. Yung sa next bus stop.
Ah, yun yung point niya. Ngayon, kapag walang humila nito, hindi natitigil sa stop na yun.
Hindi. Kung walang tao.
Now that is
Wait, hindi ka
systematic. Nagbasa ko nung una-una kong punta. Paano pag wala ka nung app? Like, hindi mo alam na kailangan pala nung app. Paano ka? Bawal.
Hindi ka magbayad ng cash, pero sakto.
Ah, 250 tama? Okay, you heard it there. So na ganun. Yung hindi tumitigil anywhere.
Pilipinas na.
Yeah, sa Pilipinas lang talaga. Mas systematic eh. Wow, guys. Ang laki ng school. Parang isang town. Yan na. Here's our bus stop.
Hindi siya dito nagsasapat doon.
Yeah. That's our bus right there. I'm getting a bit shy with the camera. Pero papanindigan ko. Dami naka-scooter. I think it's smart to have a scooter. Huh? Okay, this is called the library walk. Ang ganda ng school.
Bakit ako
I just wanna say na this is what I imagine. Ito yung na-imagine ko pag sinabi kong, yeah, I go to uni. Ito yun. Like, kung ang UP may shopping center sa loob. Dito may Target lang naman. Pero it's a tiny Target. So cute. Okay, this area daw is called the Price Center. Ang taray, may swimming pool, guys. Yung mga green posts daw, may nakasabit dyan na hammock. Pero I feel like tinanggal kasi the weather really says that it's cloudy. And there's a good chance of rain today. Sorry, talo Ateneo. Mas maganda to sa Ateneo. Ay, te, Miriam. I love my school, but alam mo yung bookstore sa Miriam, ano lang, counter lang, girl. Pero may merch din kami, pero never ako bumili ng merch. Wow. Blind date with a book. So it's covered. You just have like an idea of what it is, but it's covered. You cannot judge the book by its cover and synopsis. So, what? Pati kettle? Bakit may kettle dito, girl? At saka, bakit may electric fan?
Matinda?
Oo.
Kasi parang
Sa dormers. Wow, you have lab gowns. Ay, Lian! Gusto ko ng merch. Actually, alam mo, gusto ko yung sayo eh. Gusto ko yung green. 54. Not bad actually. Ay, pwede rin yung yellow. Bili mo ako, Li. Gusto ko yung parang zip up lang. Eh, ito. I like this. Triton Tech. You have laptop. Karma is my boyfriend. What? They have laptops. What? Is it cheaper here? Tax free. Ay, dapat dito ka na lang bumili, Lian. Tax free. Oh. She actually got Kara this. Ay, so cute. Hey, I need one. How about UCSD cousin?
Wala.
Too much of a stretch.
Alam mo sa Berkeley, may Berkeley uncle na eh. Kaso ang pangit.
Ay, bibili mo ako?
Yeah.
Ayoko, joke lang. No, ayoko, joke lang. Ayoko.
Ayaw mo?
Ayoko, Lee. Don't buy me na. Spend it on the right people. Really? Wait. Guys, ang cute ng fit ko. Oh, look. Do I look like a UCSD student? I'm sorry. UCSD card revoked. Ang Hydro Flash sold out kahit saan. Dito pala lahat.
Dito yung Price Center, which is yung mga
Fast food.
Oh, it's Ambon.
Mambon? Aw, guys. This is a bummer. How can we go around when it's raining? Got Jamba. Ay, oo nga pala. Wag ako maingay. May Jamba juice. Open sa same. Ooh. Sige, para ma-experience ko yung dining hall.
Like my Indian street food dyan.
Ah, talaga? Saan? Indian street food. May pani-puri ba dito?
Meron.
Ay, totoo? Let's eat pani-puri. You wanna eat here?
Honeyberry? Yeah. I can. Yeah, 1022 left. Thanks so much.
Oh my God!
What's that?
Pwede mong ilo.
So, anong tawag dyan? Can you show? Ah, that's your ID lang? Ooh, okay.
Cash.
Aha.
So basically, para din siya debit card.
Oh, yeah.
Ang ganda ko.
So, pwede mo din. Oh, sige, pagbigyan natin. Oh, yan. Oh, in fairness, binibenta ko yung pinsan ko na yan. Kapag ako una nakabenta dito, may price. May commission. Here it goes. So, yung mga nag-work ba dyan, are they students too? Oh, okay. Parang gusto kong mag-aral sa US. Bigla ako nangarap. But I'm 24. Is that okay? Okay, so we have that. Yung filling, I think potatoes and meat and the sauce. I don't know what we call it. And the balls. So, I think this is how you eat it. You take this and then tapos you put the filling and okay, we're just gonna go with it. Hindi ko na sure mabuti. Tapos here. Okay, let's just give it a go. Yeah. I don't know how to define it, pero yung Indian flavor is there. Tapos yung crunchiness. Right? It's good naman. I don't know if it's the best. Yeah. I can see how this is addicting. What if I do this? Oh, sinaw-saw ko. Okay. 1, 2, 3. This might be my favorite Indian food so far. They have a market. they have a freaking market. If you want food, they have Panera, frozen goods, coffee, kombucha. Wow. Really, you don't need to go out of this school. We have a little problem. It's raining hard. Baka there's a way. Doon. So much rain. Okay. We have to be close. Ay! Oh, may pub. As in, may alcohol dyan, kaya. Oh my gosh. A pub inside the school. So, hindi nyo na kailangan dumayo like sa pop-up, ganyan. Nasa loob na ng school nyo. Ay, holy shit, ayan na. Ganda, oh. Parang spaceship. Charot.
Yeah.
Peg.
Tapos kung napanood mo, kinakanya mo ba napanood yung movie ni Leonardo?
DiCaprio. Alin? Titanic. Oh, what about it?
Sa dulong part.
Okay, so this is the entryway to the library. Oh, panis yung ano nyo, Rizal Library nyo, Ateneo. Joke. Ba't ba may anger ako towards Ateneo? Anyway, as you can see, they have glass panels around na parang maganda mirror selfie. Look at that. Or look at that. Ayan kami. Pero sabi ni Lian, oh wow! What the heck?
First and second floor, parang active study area. So, hindi ka pwede mag-enroll. Pwede sa like this. Ito, second floor, ito yung ground floor, second floor. Tapos meron yung first floor sa baba.
Okay.
Tapos, parang third floor, wala.
What do you mean wala?
Emergency exit talaga. Walang ano. Tapos, mamaya itatalik kung saan kung ano yung ground floor. At kung bakit wala. Mamaya sa
Okay.
fourth, fifth, sixth. Quiet study. So, yeah. The
Zip
7
it.
and 8, silence. So, hindi pa ka nakapunta sa kanila. Kasi natatakot ako kasi yung iba daw. Like, parang, kasi pag maglalakad ka nga lang sa 6 floor, parang parang nakakahiya. Nag-open ko lang yung bag ko. Nakakahiya.
Like lahat titingin ng gano'n.
Hindi naman. Pero,
It's so
limit.
silent. Yeah, okay.
Ano ba kaya pag 7 to 8?
Let's see it. Even like a peak. As in, ganun. Tas pag hindi natin
Sa
talaga.
6 na lang. Yun yung maganda.
Let's look at 7 and 8. I am that cousin. Sige na.
Go.
This is called shared puzzle. Let's contribute something. I finally got one. Ayan, check. O, diba? O, diba? O, diba? Ikaw na. Wala ka ba nagawa? Ano ba yan? Parang nakaka-addict siya in the sense na ayaw mong umalis hanggat wala kang nalalagay. floor. Oo, na-challenge ako. Hindi ako sanay, guys. That's out of my comfort zone. But, oh my gosh. Nakita niyo ba yung seats? Yung feels, yung vibe? Like, to be a student here, Lian.